And on top of this edition of the news, we're going to keep you up to speed with the investigation that is ongoing when it comes to the drug cartel and the drug mafia that has been thriving in Bollywood. A-listers have been summoned. Digital, they have been confronted with digital evidence, and so far no clean chit has been given to either Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor or Rakul Preet. And in the center of this mega controversy is a talent management agency called Quant. Today, DG of the NCB, Rakesh Asthana, is in Mumbai. He's come along with his crack team, if I may call it. Top officers of the NCB are here along with Rakesh Asthana. They're analyzing the report that has been prepared by teams of KPS Malhotra, Ashok Jain and Sameer Wankhede. My colleague Piyush, Anant and Rima, they're joining me live on this broadcast. I'd like to go across to Piyush. Piyush, is that meeting still underway? What are you gathering from your sources? What is the kind of evidence or what is the kind of report that has been prepared so far?
Well, Sagarika, what we are learning is that the meeting went on for at least 5 hours and the meeting has almost come to an end. But let me also tell to you that Sameer Wankhede, the main man who is also part of SIT investigating the entire drug nexus, he continues to be here at the NCB zonal office in Mumbai's Ballard Street. That's the vehicle which is still here, and you can clearly see that Sameer Wankhede is here. He's on the 3rd floor of this building. He continues to be there. He's meeting with some officials. This is what we have been told. But what is more important is to mention here that Asthana, the DG of NCB, he is here. He landed at around 1, what we are learning, and the moment he landed here, after that he started having some sort of meetings. What we are also learning is that no clean chit has been given to any of these actresses who were summoned by the NCB, and they are going to expand their investigations. This is what we are learning. It's 8:30, and right now as you are speaking, Sameer Wankhede continues to be here at NCB office. Remember, he's the same person who led that particular team of NCB which picked up Kshitij Ravi Prasad, who is also part of Dharma Productions, and then he was later on interrogated and then arrested. What we're learning that he has been sent for 4 days custody, and further interrogation, the entire case is going on. What you're also learning is that no clean chit has been given to these actresses, and further investigations will take place in the entire case. We already know that these drug chats, if you talk about these drug chats, these actresses have already accepted that yes, they were part of these drug chats, but at the same time they have mentioned that they have not consumed drugs. Right. Let us also tell to our viewers that Shraddha Kapoor during her interrogation has accepted that yes, she was part of that, but she has also said that she ordered CBD oil but she did not consume it. Pointer is that why did she order it and for whom she was ordering it. There are certain questions, certain links which NCB has got, and they are investigating it. What is more important, that DG of NCB, he himself is in Mumbai, and he held a meeting with all the officials who were part of this SIT team which is investigating the entire drug nexus in Bollywood, be it KPS Malhotra, Sameer Wankhede, Ashok Jain, and he held this meeting for at least 5 hours. Now we'll have to wait and watch how the investigation in this entire case will proceed. Tomorrow is going to be a very crucial day, because after this meeting of DG Rakesh Asthana in Mumbai, certain things will be taken into consideration, and there are many other things on which NCB will be focusing on. What we're also learning is that they have got many informations from these drug peddlers, and there are at least 50 stars of Bollywood who are on the radar of NCB.
50 celebs are under the radar at this point of time. A drug dossier has been prepared. Top minds and top officers of the NCB have brainstormed for close to 5 hours, and that's the update that Piyush is bringing for us. He's outside the zonal office of the NCB, which is in South Mumbai.